Una, ihanda natin ang mga kakailanganing ingredients sa paggawa ng pansit molo. The ground pork, egg, pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion, garlic, chopped scallions, shrimp, and the sesame oil. Let's chop all the ingredients needed to be chopped. And after that, combine and mix it all together in a mixing bowl. And then, let's wrap it up. Wrap it up. And after natin mag-wrap, we will make the soup by combining water and the chicken broth in a soup pot. At hayaan natin itong kumulo. Remove the chicken and let it cool down. Separate the meat from the bones and shred the meat. Now let's saute the onion, garlic, and shrimp. We will be using shrimp for our garnish later on. After maiahon ng hipon, igisa naman natin ang shred natin chicken meat. And then let's pour the soup. Add fish sauce if nakukulangan tayo sa lasa or timpla nito. Lagyan ng toasted garlic and additional scallions. At ihulog na ang molo sa kumukulong soup. Stir it gently. And then, tada! Our own pansit molo of Iloilo. Tikman natin to. Pagka!
At narito na ang pansit molo ng Iloilo.
I'll give it a 4.
For this,
Feel.
score 4.2.
Ano pong rate nyo? 5? Out of 5.
Nice. Thank you po.
Sarap parang.
Ano kuya? Nice. Kuya, ano masasabi mo? Nice. Ikaw ate?
5 over 5 po. Sobrang sarap.
Nice.
99 over 10.
Ikaw kuya?
Sarap. 101 over 10.
Nice. Ikaw kuya?
Sarap. Lampas sa rating.
Nice. Rate 1 to 10.
100.
Yay! Yay!
10 over 10.
Nice. Yung pansit molo ba namin? Matabang, maalat, or sakto lang?